The RE505X is a Wi-Fi range extender from TP-Link, a well-known brand in the networking industry. This device is designed to extend the coverage and improve the performance of your existing Wi-Fi network, particularly in areas where the signal is weak or non-existent. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the features and benefits of the RE505X and how it compares to other similar products in the market. Design and setup. The RE505X has a compact and elegant design, with a white glossy finish that blends well with most home interiors. It measures 5.3 x 3.07 x 2.52 inches and weighs only 0.36 pound, making it easy to carry and install anywhere in your home. The device comes with a user manual, a quick installation guide, and a resource CD that contains the setup software and firmware updates. The setup process of the RE505X is straightforward and can be completed in minutes, even by non-technical users. You can connect the device to your existing router via WPS or Ethernet, or use the TP-Link Tether App for iOS or Android to set it up wirelessly. The app provides step-by-step instructions and intuitive controls to configure the extender and manage your network settings, including parental controls, QoS, and guest network. Performance and features. The RE505X is a dual-band range extender that supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard, also known as 802.11ax. This technology delivers faster speeds, wider coverage, and better reliability than previous standards, especially in crowded environments with many devices. The extender can operate in both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, with a total maximum speed of 1.5 gigabits per second, 300 megabits per second at 2.4 GHz, and 1200 megabits per second at 5 GHz. The RE505X uses high-gain internal antennas and beamforming technology to enhance the signal strength and directionality, reducing interference and dead zones. The device also features MU-MIMO, multi-user multiple input multiple output technology, which allows multiple devices to communicate simultaneously with the router or extender, increasing the network capacity and reducing latency. Another useful feature of the RE505X is the intelligent signal indicator, which helps you find the optimal location to place the extender for maximum coverage and performance. The indicator uses different colors to indicate the signal strength and quality, and you can adjust the position of the extender accordingly. Security and compatibility. The RE505X supports several security protocols, including WPA-WPA2, WPA-PSK, WPA2-PSK, and WEP, to protect your network from unauthorized access and hacking attempts. The device also supports the latest WPA3 standard, which provides stronger encryption and authentication methods than WPA2, making it more resistant to brute force attacks and password cracking. The RE505X is compatible with most routers and access points, regardless of the brand or model. You can use it with any Wi-Fi-enabled device, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smart home appliances, to extend their range and improve their performance. The device also supports the OneMesh feature, which allows you to create a seamless mesh network with other compatible TP-Link devices, such as routers and access points, to cover larger areas and eliminate dead zones. Pros and cons. Pros. Fast and reliable Wi-Fi 6 performance. Dual-band operation with MU-MIMO and beamforming. Intelligent signal indicator for easy setup. Secure and compatible with most networks. Compact and elegant design. While the RE505X is a high-quality Wi-Fi range extender, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider before making a purchase. These cons include no USB port or Ethernet ports for wired devices. Unlike some other range extenders, the RE505X does not have any USB or Ethernet ports for connecting wired devices such as printers, game consoles, or desktop computers. This may limit the flexibility and functionality of your network, especially if you have many wired devices that require a stable connection. Limited range compared to more expensive models. While the RE505X provides decent coverage and performance, it may not be as powerful or far-reaching as more expensive range extenders on the market. If you have a large home or need to extend the signal to an outdoor area, you may need to invest in a more robust and advanced model. No automatic firmware updates or remote management. The RE505X does not offer automatic firmware updates or remote management features, which means you will need to manually check for updates and configure the device settings locally. This may be inconvenient or time-consuming, especially if you have multiple extenders or a complex network setup. Overall, while the RE505X is a solid and reliable Wi-Fi range extender with many features and benefits, it may not be the best choice for everyone, depending on their specific needs and preferences.